This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious wings in your Ninja air fryer. First, ensure your chicken wings are completely dry by patting them with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy skin. Next, lightly coat the wings with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and your favorite spices, like garlic powder, paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Finally, arrange them in a single layer within the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd, which allows for even cooking and maximum crispiness. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your Ninja air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Once preheated, place your prepared wings into the basket. Cook them for an initial 12 minutes. This first phase starts the cooking process and begins to render the fat. Remember to set a timer so you don't forget this important step. After the 12 minutes are up, you'll need to flip each wing over. To achieve that irresistible crispy skin, we'll adjust the temperature. Increase your air fryer's setting to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Continue cooking the wings for another 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them during this final stage, as cooking times can vary slightly depending on your air fryer model and wing size. For food safety, always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius using a meat thermometer. Once your wings are perfectly cooked and golden brown, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. Transfer them into a large mixing bowl. This is the best time to add your favorite sauce. Whether you prefer a classic buffalo, a tangy barbecue, or a sweet and spicy glaze, toss the hot wings immediately to ensure they are evenly coated. Serve these delicious, crispy air-fried wings right away with some ranch or blue cheese dressing and celery sticks for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.